Godzilla finally got his play button, except, I didn't. I'm nowhere close. But today we're going to be reacting to an animation. What would happen if I got my play button? Which I can't wait, man. Guys, hit that subscribe button, but let's go. Alright, we're starting off. What is that? Ooh. Awards. Prizes. Judge a film star's worth. And even audience reactions are inconsistent. I like the way Angus is just watching Godzilla give him a speech. Ooh! How many awards does Godzilla have? What is that? Is Bure? What? Are they worth anything? Do I deserve each? One thing no one can doubt is my material possession of them. Oh, you have so many, man. I need these. I want these too, man. Wait, hey! Did he just... he just snorted an award. Oh. What is that? Wait, Razzie Award. What is a Razzie Award? That looks fun. Oh, Zilla, you can have them? Bring in my others awards. You know, for most watched and highest grossing Godzilla film of all time. I don't think he... Ah, with inflation. Oh, it's not for King of Monsters didn't get Goldberry. You're so cool, Godzilla. You deserve to win every award. Okay, why is Angus doing that, man? I don't like the way he's just... Alright, what did I say? They don't give trophies for that stuff, everyone knows. Oh. Oh. Oh my, he was saved by the bell! Wow, Zilla was about to die. Oh. Oh, what is this apartment? This looks so nice. Oh, we got rolled down. I'll get it. It's probably for me anyways. I like the way all of them are just hanging out in like a room together. What? What was that slap for? Come on. Oh, what? Oh my. How big is this? Wait, what? Oh, okay, never mind. Oh my, I feel so bad for him. D2. He's not falling for anything. Hello? Oh, I love this. Oh, I forgot his name. Titanosaur? Oh my god, you guys have to let me know in the comments. This looks so cool. Are you a close relative? Yeah, I'm his husband. Hey, husband of who? We gotta go back and see. Giant package for Mr. Rodan. No, he's somewhere getting drunk. Rodan was right there. What do you mean? I'm his husband. What was? Oh my! Oh my! Bro, Angus. Yo, Angus, why would you do that? I feel bad for him. Look at him. He's like, hey, bro. Bruh, no. Come on. Ooh. Now duck if you want to live. Okay. Oh, yo, calm down. Oh, I get it. Oh my. What was that? Oh, just material manifestation of life. So will you be my servant? Hey, what? As gratitude for saving your life. Yo, I love Anguirus, man. I don't know why. He just feels like a menace. Damn, hope life will provide another chance to... I like the way Anguirus is like, yeah, he's my husband. Oh my, where's Rodan going? Rodan, you realize now? What is that? Oh, where is he going? Oh man, come on man, you just broke someone's house. What island is this now? Now this island looks scary, oh my. Oh, what is that? Sir Redorosaur? Such an honor. Who's that Redorosaur? You guys let me know in the comments. Indebted to your work. Right, you owe me to pass up and take your fancy colors and motion blur with you. Who is this? Oh my. Oh, that transition was fire. That transition was fire, you can't lie. Get down from here so I can pummel you. Oh my, the way Zilla is teasing him. There was some boulder around here. I'd kick them and hit you. Which seems to be one part of us Newtonian physics that apply to us. Newtonian, what's a Newtonian? He just went to find something to throw at him. Oh. He's like, should I use this ball? I need to destroy this place someday. Hey Zilla. Oh my, how hard did he throw it? Oh, and now he became the thing. I was just out to get you something. Woo! He's like, let go. It's mine. I like the way Anguirus is like my Alfred. He's my butler. How do I open this artifact? Woo! Why is this guy peeing everywhere, man? Oh. It's oil. Oh my god, it was oil all this time? What is wrong with this? Japanese movies must have rotted his brain. Oh wait, you have to be brain dead to watch them in the first place. Oh my, okay. Zelda, nah. Throw this at him. Oh, you just broke your house. You're gonna pay for that. I like the way he broke it and now he has to pay for it. Ooh. Wait, what? I thought he destroyed it. What happened? Another prize just for me. I think it says Rodan. Rodan has a YouTube channel? I didn't know that. We gotta check it out. Oh, he came to another island. Oh. Where is he? Oh, Skull Island? Oh no. Who's that? Oh, Godzilla, you're not gonna believe the detour I just took. Pardon me, but who are you? Hey, who's that? Oh, it's just you, Jaras? Who's Jaras, man? All of these characters, I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. How do you know who I am? Are you some voyeur creep? Yo, Rodan, what are you doing on ᴚᴜᴱ Island? Oh! Do you guys see the way he just changed? That really doesn't alleviate my concerns. So this is your side job, Baragon? Oh, come on. Get him a job. I feel bad. How come this isn't just Godzilla? I don't see how one would follow from the order. But we're all offshoots of Godzilla in some way. I guess that's true, but I don't like to think about it. I feel bad for the man. I don't think he knows that he's a movie character. Yeah, don't mind this guy. That Phil keeps the oxygen from his brain. I love the way they're just roasting each other like nothing, man. Oh. But seriously, you need to beat it. Don't worry, I'm being careful. Oh no, Ultraman is gonna come. I feel it. Oh. Uh-oh. Hey. Why did he just do that? He did it himself and now he's blaming him? You did that yourself. This is how he... Well, bye. Uh-oh, Rodan might die. I think I know that person. Is Astro Gimp Rocketeer? Look, I'll get you another ice cream. I'll get you 2 ice creams. He's asking for money. Let me know in the comments your favorite type of ice cream. I'm gonna go with cookies and cream. The best. Nobody can tell me otherwise. Please don't kill me. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. With his pinky. Oh my. Oh, he's gonna put it. He just stole an award. Come on, Godzilla. Honestly, I can't wait to get my own. Hold it just 1 minute. The name doesn't sit right with me. Now let's see. How is he going to change Rodan to Godzilla? I don't know. Let's see. And where's... You know the blood's gonna rush to the head if you stay like that. Wait, is he still on the ceiling trying to run away and hide? What kind of name is Rodan? Oh my, okay, you didn't have to roast him like that. This black offends me. Never before has my name been so... Oh, yo! Calm down, it's just a name. Wow, he really hates Rodan, doesn't he? Please, just let me crash into the sea. Oh, what? Where did that island come from? Please, no more threat. This is Japan? Baka? What? Why Baka, man? Oh, he came home. There we go. Why did he leave? I thought he said this. Oh, okay, there we go. Now I. Oh my. Ooh, what is that? Oh my. What is that? Whoa. You alright? Yeah, I'm fine. You reckon we just ruined someone's day? Okay, did they just do that to ruin some? Oh my, yo! What's wrong with now or never? Why is Godzilla standing like that? What? Hey Godzilla, can I be in a movie? I want to watch too. Godzilla's like, hey, where is he? Your tail can talk? No, that would be abnormal. Oh! Oh my god, I feel so bad. No, come on, stay. Is there a voice in here? Alright, Rodan, there you are. Coming in through the ceiling like, oh my. What do you make of this? Hey, it arrived. Why are you stealing it? No, you don't steal. It's mine now. What do you mean? It's my name on it. You are Rodan. What? You just said, hey, Rodan. Or Radon. Oh, wait, what? Are you willing to admit you have feet? Every award here rightfully belongs to me. That's right. He's like, give me. Come on, give it to me, man. It's mine. I'm Rodan. You just said Rodan was a stupid name, and now you're saying Godzilla, you obtuse tats well room. Oh my, what is that? Oh my, oh, there's the acting skills. Now I know why he got all the awards, man. Bro, we need an entire movie like this. Grow up. Okay, listen. What? How did it appear there? You wanna give me a heart attack? How do you have so many subs? Who would watch you? Yeah, who would want to watch Rodan, man? Everybody go subscribe right now. Godzilla is oh. It's Zilla, right? Oh my, what? What is he drawing? Oh my, who likes specific Rim Uprising? At least until I see a newer one. Sometimes I wish I was a robot. What do you think? It's trash like, okay. Zilla, man. I don't know why Zilla. What's wrong with him? He's just roasting everybody. What are you drawing? Just mapping out the future highlights of my life into reach. Sorry, but you really... What are you doing in that giant ceiling? He started it. No matter, start obeying gravity and get down here. What? He just used... bro. So what's this video business? Video? It's video time? I wanted to wait until later, but I could use the extra revenue to get the roof repaired. Oh, we're gonna all start a YouTube channel? Oh my... Yo, he just knocked him out! Why don't I just kill you right? He did it by mistake. Come on, man. But you need me. Sadly. You guys are right. Let's get to work. Okay. What? What is that? I wonder what it is. Oh, wait, what? Why was it wrapped around the other way around? A new dinosaur toy. Oh, wow. Oh, you're gonna destroy the house, Andres. He's gonna destroy the world. Oh. He can cry me an ocean. Thank you. Oh, I like that. What did he just kiss? What did he just kiss? He's like, give back the award. Oh my. Bro, you guys coming? Oh, they're gonna make toy reviews? Toy reviews. Reviews, I said, man. Come and see. End of part 1. Oh, there's another part. Oh, I can't wait to react to it. Oh, I can't wait. This was so funny. Probably the best animation I've seen. But with that being said, that's gonna be the end of this video. If you guys want me to react to part 2, let me know in the comments, guys. Peace.